Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Tig Welder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Kawi TIG 200P Pulse Cold TIG Welding Machine. Specifications: brand name, Kawi. Origin, CN Origin. Certification, C. Model number, TIG 200P. Plug type, EU plug. Cold welding machine TIG, cold TIG pulse welding. Item number 2 is the Hertzoggen MIG Welder MIG 250. Specifications: brand name, Hertzoggen. Origin, CN Origin. Certification, C. Model number, MIG 250. Is smart device? No. Plug type, EU plug. Welder current, 2160A. Welding machine function, MIG/TIG/ARC welding. Welding thickness, 1 to 8 mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Indeli MCT 520 DPL/DPC. Specifications: brand name, Indeli. Certification, C. Origin, CN Origin. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.